आज के दिन का बहुत सारा महत्व है। 26 नवंबर 1949 को डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर, उनको कहा गया था कि संविधान बनाने के लिए। तो 1949 को उन्होंने शुरुआत की आज के ही दिन। ओके, तो जब शुरुआत हुई संविधान लिखने के लिए, तो उनकी कमेटी में बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो शामिल हुए, जैसे कि विजया लक्ष्मी पंडित वगैरह जो भी है, तो ये लोग शामिल हुए और उन्होंने ये संविधान जो है ये बनाकर दिया। हमारा कानून जो है संविधान ये बनाकर उन्होंने दे दिया। और फिर इसको 26 जनवरी जो है 1950 से भारत देश में लागू कर दिया गया। याद रखिए, आज के ही दिन 1949 को उनको बनाया संविधान जो है हमारा बन गया था, और उसको लागू जो है कर दिया 1950 से भारत देश में। और जब डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आम्बेडकर जो है वो 125वीं उनकी जयंती थी 2015 में। ओके, तो 2015 में उनकी 125वीं जब जयंती, तो उसी ये संविधान दिन जो है वो शुरू हुआ, और तब से हम ये संविधान दिन जो है उसको मनाते हैं। और आज एक सिंबल जो है उसको हम करते हैं। ओके, तो सब लोगों ने अच्छी तरह से खड़े रहना है, और वो जो मिस प्रियम्बल बोलेगी उसको बोलना है मिस के पीछे। ओके,
Roy Miss is going to say. Okay.
Students, keep your video on.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
As the assistant teacher, I just want to tell you that in the Constitution, the first page is preamble. Actually, preamble is summary of the entire Constitution. Of the whole Constitution, it is summarization. If you want to see, it is the introduction page of the Constitution. So now I am going to read the preamble, and everyone will speak after me. Word by word, you have to listen to me very carefully, and you will read. You also have to follow whatever things I am going to say. So I am going to start the preamble. So let's begin, children. The Constitution of India.
The Constitution of India.
Preamble. We the people of India.
We the people of India.
Having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity. And to promote among them all. Fraternity. Assuring the dignity of the individual. and the unity and integrity
and the unity and integrity
of the nation
of the nation
in our constituent assembly
in our constituent assembly
this 26th day of November
This 26th day of
26th
November
day of November
1949
1949
do hereby
do hereby
adopt,
adopt,
enact,
enact,
and give to ourselves
ourselves
this constitution.
constitution.
Thank you, children.
Yes, Avinash sir. Avinash sir. Avinash sir.
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए शायद, अब बोलो.
Okay. Sorry, I got disconnected due to net connection. So, student. Hello. No, I myself got disconnected in the beginning. So, I also want to share something with you. As we know, today we are celebrating Constitution Day. Okay, it is also known as Samvidhan Divas. But before it was also celebrated as a National Law Day. Okay, as Avinash sir have given you people the information that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he had decided to celebrate this day as a Samvidhan Divas, okay, Constitution Day, to celebrate the long years celebration of the birth anniversary, that is 125th anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay. Now some interesting fact about the constitution. You know, we have borrowed features, whatever feature we have today in a constitution, we have borrowed from other country. From total 10 countries, we have borrowed the features which are included in our constitution. Okay. And then after that, for making a constitution, our Constituent Assembly met for total 166 days, 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. You know, total words. It is one of the lengthy written constitution, one of the feature of it, and it have total 1,17,369 words in it, and we have 2 copies. One in Hindi and one in English. It is written down. Okay. So it is a great day for us, as we are fortunate enough. We are living in a democratic country in which we are given the fundamental right. But children, we should not forget that as we enjoy certain fundamental right, at the same time, we also have some duties towards our country. Okay. So we should fulfill that duties also towards our nation. And at its present situation, what is our duty? To fight back with this pandemic situation. Okay, we should follow the guideline given by a country government to save our country, to save ourselves. So I hope all of you are following this. This is the first prior duties towards our nation, towards ourselves, towards our family at right this time. So please follow the instruction. Don't move out without masks. Maintain a social distance. Okay, wash your hand. Even your parents, when they're coming out, tell them to have a bath. So follow all the precautionary measures so that in this way we can perform our duties towards our nation. We can save our life also. Clear? All of you? All the students?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Atul sir? Atul sir?
Ami.
So, vote of thanks I should give, or who? Someone else? Is there?
और कुछ है क्या?